This 12-volt Milwaukee screwdriver comes supplied in a handy zipped padded bag. It's an extremely compact and powerful machine, making it an ideal choice for tradesmen who need to work in confined areas. It has a secure, quick-loading, quarter-inch hexagon bit receptor, which makes it ideal for screwdriver bits, most flat bits, and any drill bits with a standard hexagon shank. This Milwaukee 12-volt screwdriver has a robust metal gear housing and 14 torque settings, which allow you to drive screws into a variety of materials without damaging them. 20 Newton-meters of torque provides power for a number of applications. This machine comes supplied with 2 lithium-ion 1.5 amp-hour batteries and has a fuel gauge on the side so you can see how much power you have left in the battery. The charge time is just 30 minutes, but you'll have to work fast to run out of power. Just look at how many 1-inch by 8 screws we drove into this piece of wood before we had to change battery. That's a box of 200, and there's still plenty of charge left in the battery. If you register online, you can extend your warranty to 3 years. That's how good this machine is. But here's the best bit. For a limited time only, this Milwaukee 12-volt screwdriver is available for just £99.99.